done with the computer. I think it's time for the... So, today, exciting day, exciting outfit, first video. We have some unopened parts for a brand new custom PC build, which we're gonna try to do today. We have our friend Jason, my friend Jason. A tech guru, Apple hater, the fellow Android user, all that. And we have a cameraman, former Android lover. All right, so today we're building a custom PC just because I bought a computer from Facebook Marketplace. Never buy computers from Facebook Marketplace, but I did it young, dumb and broke after buying the PC, and it was broken. So yeah, instead of replacing just one part, I am building a whole new computer, which we will try to put in today. So join us on a journey of building a computer and see how far we can get to build it. First thing on the list, a motherboard. I picked Asus ProArt B660. Yeah. Jason?
B660 Creative D4.
That's what I said, thank you. So yeah, I'm not gonna go into details why I picked it, because as I said, I'm not a profound computer builder. All right, let's get into this mess and a bunch of different accessories. I'm not gonna go through all of them. CD, who the f uses? I got a short display port, all the instructions. You know, who needs instructions? Am I right?
Why are you giving me?
Hold it, I want to close this beauty. For the processor, I went with i7 12700K. The i7 should be more than enough for us for the video editing, gaming, and all the other stuff I might be doing with it. Got the best knife in town. What the fuck is this? What is this packaging? Is that where the money goes? Yeah, so it is difficult to be an unboxing YouTuber, I guess. Huh? Okay, got it. So, as I might look not scared, but I'm actually very nervous about completing the next step, because it's install. Ah. First, this. Yes. Got it. And then I just push it. No. Okay, I need more power, I guess. Hey. Thanks. Alright, so we got the hardest part out. Now we should move onto RAM actually. Alright, so for the RAM we got the wonderful Vengeance RGB Pro SL. So we got 32 gigabytes in here, in case I dropped or something. You never know. Sheesh. I saw the YouTubers do this, so I guess it has to be safe. So we have 32 here. So yeah, now we have 64. Let's get it over to our bench. They are RGB RAMs. I don't know if they...
What the fuck are you doing?
Bro, cut. They're not the same. Then I buy a different RAM. Oh, I guess we only have 32 gigabytes. Okay. Unfortunate setback. First setback. I'll take the L. I bought a different RAM. Okay, don't worry, Jason. Well, it's only up from here. What's next? What do we do next, Jason? All right, for my next trick, we have a M.2 storage. Went with the 980 Pro for the fast download write speeds. It's rated for 7 gigabytes a second. Wow, look how small it is. Look at this dude. Look at this. Just look at it.
Average.
I think it's pretty average. This is gonna be like a Dumb and Dumber show. So, took apart our computer and install storage. Now we need to figure out how. So 45 degrees. Why is it so nerve-wracking? Jason, rate my work so far. What do you think?
First of all, you got the wrong RAM.
That's a shipping error. I'll call it as a shipping error. That can't be me.
Well, taking that into account, I'm going to say 7 out of
So we got everything done on the motherboard for now. So we're gonna set this aside. And for our next big chungus boy. So for the case, we went with a beautiful case from NZXT H510 Flow. It's a pretty simple case. So the reason I bought this case, it's because it's cheap. It's very cheap. It was like 80 euros. So yeah, let's get this boy on the side. Just gonna this way actually. Yeah, now it's good. I'll try to fit the motherboard into this beast of a case, but I think first, should we remove the something? No? Secret compartment, bro. 510 screws? What are these? Just one way to find out. Taste test. So now I just put it in and then we're done, right? This is nerve-wracking and beautiful at the same time when you think about it. Barely fit. Look at this, get this clearance. Pro Art motherboard. Almost misses the fan, that's nice. First screw goes in. It's too small of a screw. We need a bigger screw. Oh, here we go. Wow, I thought I messed it up. For a second, I thought I messed it up. All right. Whew. I don't know, sort of like half an hour of screwing around. For the cooler, we have a beautiful Kraken Z63. The reason I went with this one because it has a nice little screen I can put GIFs on, and apparently it should cool my computer as well. So no specific reason, it just works. And we have this is a weird packaging. Yes, look at this. Yeah, please subscribe so I can buy a drill. I want drill. Okay, I think it's gonna take some time seeing our progression so far. All right, so we got a cooling system installed. It was pretty difficult to do it. And now next step is, I think, installing the pump, right? The other question is, how do I mount it, bro? Never, ever in my life am I reading a manual. You never read the manual. You accept the consequences as a man and you struggle. Okay, this goes on top. Hey, let me not ask Jason. Oh, I found out. They're different. They're different. No, I think these. You know, honestly, I think these are working. All right. Advancement in the story. We did figure out how to install the backplate for the cooler right here. First time, no manuals needed or anything. These are the longest screws I ever screwed. Yeah, and I screwed for a long time. What? Wait, can you show me? Wait. I mean, get it out of here.
Oh, actually.
Yeah?
You need...
It's better to have more than less, you know how they say it? Should I have more?
Please don't add more.
So I'm just going in a star pattern, tightening the screws. So the thermal paste could spread evenly, Jason. Do you think I was born yesterday? I know my computers. When I'll be making videos for 1 million of subscribers, you just wait.
If there's 1 million of you, please fuck off.
What is it? Corsair Corsair RM750. Beautiful power supply. I think this is a mistake. I think we should first put the cables in, but I'm kind of like midway screwing them on, so I'm just gonna accept my fate and finish doing that. And you know, future me will thank me later, or hate me later. All right, so quick update. I thought we're gonna fly through this cable management, but it's a mess. The front does look better. The front looks very nice. We managed to connect almost everything so far. So for the power supply, we would need to do we need to unscrew it, or can we just manage?
We need to unscrew it. Cut back.
By me, yes. I think this is a mistake. I think we should first put the cables in. You know, future me will thank me later or hate me later. I'm not doing this because Jason said it, I'm just doing it because I want to. So now our cable management is as beautiful as it ever was. Let's not show that side. Okay, so we are almost done. This bozo. Another hard drive. It is a solid state drive, excuse me, thank you very much for reminding me. You know, to have more space, because I am a video creator, as some may say. So I need space for footage and whatnot. Alright, so we're done with the computer. I think it's time for the... It's a joke, guys. You have pranked. No. No GPU inside. I would never deal with the GPU like this. If this computer turns on, I'm gonna be very surprised. There we go. I was a little scared of it. Okay. Not satisfying at all. Alright, so we're done. Besides, don't look at the ugly side. I will fix that when the time comes. Look at this ugly side. What is this? I think besides the cable management and all the other ugly shit. Yeah. So we have power. We'll bring a monitor here, and hopefully, there's like 50% chance that it will turn first try. This is on. It's a bit dusty. What a day, what a video. It's been 4.5 hours?
5.
It's been 5 hours since we started building this computer, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I enjoyed the process. Oh, last second before we start. Beautiful. We have fan spin. We have, oh my God, upside down. It's from Australia. Oh, hey, look at this. I see CPU, 12 gen, that's good. DDR4, yes. So, after, what was it been, 5 days, we finally managed to finish the computer. As you can see, looks amazing. But yeah, we managed to boot it up. I'm gonna do final cable management later on. I'm gonna edit this video you're watching right now on this computer. So I'll give you an honest review on that now, like. So, finally finished the video. Took a little bit longer than I expected, but I got this guy accompany me. But yeah, the computer runs smoothly. Editing was without a hitch. Managed to edit all the files without proxies. It was amazing. Hope you enjoyed the video, my first video, so leave a comment how I did. And I'll see you in the next video. Whenever that is. Whenever I have another genius idea to make a video. How do YouTubers do it?